Hi. Hi. Today is 2nd of July 2013. I am recording a trip from the car driver's point of view of NAIA, Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 2 for Philippine Airlines. And my name is John Petalcorin, and this is the Terminal 2. You would notice that there are bay numbers at the posts. We have bay 3, we have bay 5. So this is the pickup area for the passengers arriving from domestic and also international. So bay 9 and bay 11 is the domestic arrivals. Philippine Airlines coming from all over the Philippines going to Manila. So you will be picked up at bay 9 to 11. For international passengers coming from Philippine Airlines international flights, you will be picked up at bay 13, 14, 15 and 16. You would notice at bay 19 there are taxi